Hello guys, today I would like to introduce Tbracing about the new model Sport Plus. This is our 2019 of the latest model and with all 2-inch belts. The special item for this one is we can very quick device for a ready seasons ready car. So you can see here this is the new one. The special one is we have the two elastic bands on the left strap and four steel adjuster for 2-inch and quick release buckle with the rotary one, and very comfortable for the T-bar. So when the leg in here is very good design and very short. Let's introduce how to use this quick device. So when you open it, the left thread is outside the racing. So the next driver can be easy to pull this left thread to buckle. See, it's auto return. And the other one is like this buckle. This buckle can auto release and return to the cross situation. We also add the like this puller, so when you wear the gloves, the finger can be pull this very easily. And we have the super weight light for this logo printing. And this buckle is made with the aluminum one, very super weight light, just only 200 grams. And you can see this is the new model standard of the FIA standard. See here. Okay, I can show you again.